it's a breather of sorts for the hotel as well as the restaurant industry, as now the Chief Minister is contemplating the opening of hotels as early as the 8th of July, which is tomorrow. This is of course going to be with a lot of riders and restrictions in place and strict SOPs that have to be followed. Well, after the hotels, which can open at a 33% capacity with those SOPs in place, it's also the restaurants in Maharashtra that are also looking to be reopened. In fact, Uddhav Thackeray has said that this will be with strict protocols for the industry, and each reopening is going to be done carefully. There seems to be a little bit of a disagreement amongst the restaurant owners as to what would be the minimum capacity that some of these restaurants can operate at. We spoke with Gurbakshish Singh Kohli, he's the Vice President FHRAI, and he discussed with us about how a lot of these restaurants, yes, will be ready to open, but we need to see if consumer confidence is going to return. Are people going to really be willing to step outside and shell out money? Also, he spoke of how now it's going to be just the boys versus the men. It's a tough time. The restaurant industry has been beleaguered by a very hefty financial loss. So only a few are going to stand to survive the impact of this pandemic. So therefore, we will now possibly see a lot of restaurants perhaps even put down their shutters for good on the back of this move. But nonetheless, it's going to be a positive. We'll have to wait and watch perhaps by this weekend as to whether or not people are actually going to venture out into restaurants and hotels. But of course, the sanitization, the strict SOPs, social distancing will very strictly be put in place.